Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's start using sheets. So, what are sheets? Sheets are basically additional pages in your workbook. So, imagine you have a textbook like you did at school, and it's one book, like we have one Excel file, as you can see here. Okay, this is like your textbook, right? This entire file. Now, each of the pages you can have in a textbook or your workbook is the same as having multiple sheets in an Excel workbook. As you can see here, we're adding sheets, right? So you got one page, two, three, four, and so on. That's basically what sheets are. So what do you use sheets for? Well, you can get more information in the same file rather than just putting everything on one sheet and having it, really large. You can separate it, you can combine or categorize data that's common in other sheets. Even for some things that aren't absolutely critical to your file, but you don't want to delete, put it on another sheet. That's what they're used for. So let's begin. Let's start by adding sheets. So as you can see from earlier, I was clicking this button here. Okay. So that's the first way to do it. That's probably the quickest way. All you have to do is click on that button and it'll automatically create a new sheet for you, like so. Okay. Now the shortcut for this is Shift and F11 on your keyboard. And that'll automatically add sheets, as you can see. Now the other way to add sheets is to right click any sheet you already have, like so. Then you want to go Insert. Now the reason you have this version is you can do different types or templates and so on that you can add, right? But for our case, we just use Worksheet. So you select Worksheet and you press OK, like so, and that'll add a new sheet. So now that we've done that, you can also delete sheets. When you don't need them anymore, all you got to do is right click and delete. Okay, so let's do that for a few of them. Right click, delete. So pretty simple function. One last thing to mention though is if you have no data on the sheet like we have right now, when you delete it, Excel is just going to delete it, okay, because there's nothing in there. But if you type something in, okay, Excel is going to know that there's information in there. So it's going to interpret your delete as a mistake, okay? So it's going to say, if we delete now, are you sure you want to delete? So this is a very helpful function in case you did accidentally press it. But if you do want to delete it, just press delete. And there we go. So very useful. Get used to using and adding sheets because it does help you organize your information better. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys next time.